Hello, McNally Motors in Longford. I'd just like to show you our 191 Nissan Micra. Finished in a powder blue with 16-inch alloy wheels, front fogs, bodywork in perfect condition. This car comes in low mileage of 15,000 miles. Here we have a very spacious boot, reverse camera, so here in the back we have two-tone velour upholstery, Isofix seats, loads of legroom in the back. So up front, with touchscreen radio, air conditioning, USB and auxiliary ports. This also has sat nav, reverse camera, multifunction steering wheel, lane assist, Bluetooth. Just some of the extras on this little Micra. We have electric windows, electric mirrors, remote center locking. So that's our 191 Nissan Micra with low mileage of 15,000. For more details and finance options, you contact our sales team here on 04333 45621. They will help you out. Thank you.